Take two. Hey, this is Donna. This is my second video because a few minutes ago I got a call from the school saying that they are getting ready to close down the schools because of the coronavirus. Whew, a lot going on. But we're going to have some fun here today. There are little glimmers of hope in this world. We have to go searching for them sometimes, but I got a couple deliveries today that I'm happy to see. The first one is, I'm going to show it to you. I got this, and I also got my Dexcom 6. Now, I recently got my Tslim pump. What I do with it? Here it is. I've been unboxing everything. So here's my Tslim. It had some fingerprints on it. I've been playing with it. But I got this the other day, and I did an unboxing on it. So if you want to check out that video, there's a video on it. The next thing that, let me put that back in the box, I want to show you is what else I got in the mail. I got it today. Check that out. Supplies for about 4 months, okay? So I want to show you what they sent me. This was sent to me by Tandem, and I guess it's just, you know, they want to get you started, and they send you a few months' supplies. They told me to contact them whenever I get on my last boxes so they can send me more stuff. But these are my Autosoft 90s. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes of these Autosoft 90s, okay? And what these are, and I've taken one out to show it to you, these are the little insertion things. They have a little cord that of course, we all love the little tube. What we have to do is we pop off this cap, and I'm not going to do it because I need these. And so then you unwind it, and I'll be doing a video on showing you how to do a insertion. They say these things don't even hurt. And then you unwind it, you pull back this little, you take off this paper, you pull back this little plunger, you take off this little white tab, it kind of spirals off, you pull it back, you take the needle cap off, that little blue needle cap right there, if you can see it, and then you just go bonk, and you press the sides, bonk, and it's supposed to go right on you, and you don't feel hardly anything. So, and people get scared when you talk about diabetes, but they don't understand that these needles are very small. They go back in, they leave a little piece of cannula in you. There's no needle unless you go with a true steel, permanent, you know, like the needle that goes in all day into you. All you're left with is a little piece of plastic. It's no big deal. It's like the piece of fishing line is what it's like, and it's about, well, it's about this long, not very big. So I wanted to show you, and these I've tried the Mios before. These are smaller than the Mio, and these things come in different colors. So they've sent me like a gray or color right now, but I've heard these things come in pink and in blue. So next time I'll be ordering a different color. So, okay, there was 4 boxes of those. And then I got these, and these are the Tslim Cartridges. Now this little pump, where's my thing at? They have a little cartridge that slips in the back here. You fill it with insulin, you hook your little pigtail that comes out of this thing. It has a little pigtail thing, you connect it, and I'll show you whenever I do another video. But these are the cartridges. And so when you open up the box, this kind of looks like that. You pull it out, and there's a big, I've got a strip here of one of them looks like. You fill them in the top right here, pull out the air, fill the insulin in it, snap it right into the pump, and then you pigtail it together with this other little Mio thing, and you've got her made. So when you first go to fill it, you got to have something to put in there. So you have to have a needle and a cap to it so that you can put insulin in it so you can fill up that cartridge. You're not putting this in your skin. This does not go into you, which is very cool. So we have that, okay? And I guess that's about it, guys. When I go in for my training next week, they are going to set up my pump. I'm going to show you a video on it. I also got my Dexcom G6 today, so I'm going to stop this video and I'm going to show you my Dexcom G6. So if you're bored, if you're isolated in the house during this virus thing, turn on with some of my videos. I've got some fun stuff going on. But, oh, and please subscribe. So anyway, we're going to stop here. And if you have any comments or anything, nice comments, please leave them below. And we will see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.